Now for this next experiment, you're going to need an empty plastic bottle and a coin that just fits over the top of the bottle. It may be a dime, a nickel, a quarter, or a penny, depending on the mouth size of your bottle. So here's what you do. Take your bottle and place the entire bottle into the freezer and leave it there overnight. In the morning, take the bottle out of the freezer, set the coin on top, and wait just a moment. What do you notice is happening to the coin? Another variation is to take your coin and just as you're pulling your bottle out of the freezer, quickly dip it in cold water and then place it on top. Does that make a difference? Go ahead and give that a try.